It's 10:50 in the morning on August 5th, 2023. We're on Metrolink train 662 to Oceanside. We'll be taking it as far as Fullerton today. 662 departs on time, with Metrolink engine number 873 on the opposite platform. 873 is one of the 4 remaining original F59PH locomotives on the Metrolink system. Exiting Los Angeles is a number of rail yards belonging to BNSF, Metro, and Amtrak. This is Amtrak's 8th Street Yard, where long-distance services in the Pacific Surfliner are serviced. If you noticed just before, that was Amtrak locomotive number 161, one of the 50th anniversary heritage units. This one is painted in a rendition of Amtrak's Phase 1 livery. The Phase 1 livery is often called the Bloody Nose livery due to its red nose. The gray, single-level cars on the closer track are Horizon cars. These cars used to be on operation on the Pacific Surfliner. They were credited with causing delays due to the manual operation of the doors. These Horizon cars were removed from service a few years ago, and it seems a few of them are set up to leave on a few Amtrak long-distance services. Amtrak's 8th Street Yard is also home to Santa Fe locomotive number 3751, a steam locomotive that runs and serves excursions along this line. We're now into Redondo Junction. This is where tracks from the Port of Long Beach and various other destinations in Los Angeles meet up with the Metrolink's Orange County line. In 2002, the Redondo Junction project was completed. This now means that the BNSF San Bernardino sub runs on a flyover above the Union Pacific's Wilmington subdivision and the Union Pacific Los Angeles subdivision. This allows Metrolink trains to bypass all of the traffic that would be caused by the freight trains headed to the Alameda Corridor and other parts of Los Angeles. Our first train of the day is a high-priority BNSF eastbound, making its way through Fullerton, California. We arrived at Fullerton on time on Metrolink 662, arriving at 11:27 a.m. These types of trains are extremely common through Fullerton. Most of the traffic entering and exiting Los Angeles is for the ports, which serve a lot of Asian destinations overseas. This is a very high-priority train. You can tell by the customers represented on the containers. Walmart and Amazon are typically carrying high priority and potentially perishable goods. Amtrak Pacific Surfliner Train 573 makes its way northbound to its last stop in Los Angeles.
Coast, dispatcher, BNSF 8385 West, over. Are you guys almost ready to come out and do light power to force, over?
This is a rare matched Surfliner set, meaning all the cars on this train are wearing the Surfliner livery. Oftentimes you'll see the typical Amtrak silver cars, as well as Amtrak California North cars on the Surfliner trains. This is also a 7-car set, which is out of the ordinary as most trains are 6 cars. Amtrak 774 is one of the 2 daily southbound departures that originate at San Luis Obispo. This train makes an almost 9-hour journey to San Diego. Besides San Luis Obispo, Amtrak California services can originate at Los Angeles, Goleta, or San Diego. In the previous shot, a BNSF power move makes its way through Fullerton. These power moves are common as they reposition between the many yards in Los Angeles. I made my way back to Los Angeles Union Station on Metrolink train 663. This is a Metro A-Line train to Long Beach. I was hearing this guy on the radio while I was on train 663. This is an extremely late Amtrak number 3, the Southwest Chief. The Southwest Chief is a daily long-distance train that originates in Chicago, goes through Colorado, and ends up in California. This train was originally scheduled to arrive at Fullerton at 6:44 a.m. and arrive at Los Angeles at 8:15 a.m. It is now the afternoon. My return train to Los Angeles, train 663, was about 20 minutes late arriving, so this is the departing Metrolink train 664, managing to get out on time at 2 p.m. If you go back in the video, notice the first car has a wrap for the Winter Park Resort. This is a resort that is served by Amtrak. Amtrak runs a train from the Denver Union Station to the Winter Park Resort during the winter time when the skiing is good. This Colorado resort is also famous for access to the west end of the Moffat Tunnel. I have a video at that exact location. If you'd like to see it, click the link above or check my description. With the arrival of Amtrak 3, that ends my day on the BNSF San Bernardino sub. To see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot more videos in the Southern California area, including a trip report I just did on the Pacific Surfliner from Los Angeles to San Diego. You can check out that video above.